I want to use the square root property to solve number 9. And my first step is to isolate the square term. Now normally we only have an x that's being squared, but in this question we have an x plus 2 that's being squared. So we're trying to isolate the x plus 2. So I want to divide both sides by 3, and that will give me x plus 2 squared is equal to 12. So now I want to take the square root of both sides, and the square root will eliminate the square, and I have x plus 2 is equal to plus or minus the square root of 12. Next I want to get x by itself, so I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. So x is equal to negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 12. And then I want to simplify the square root of 12. So the largest perfect square that divides into 12 is 4. So square root of 4 times the square root of 3. And then the square root of 4 just becomes a 2. So this will be my final answer. Now, just as a note, I cannot combine the negative 2 with this positive 2 because this positive 2 is with the square root of 3. So they're not like terms, and I can't combine them. Now, if you wanted to separate your two answers, you could, and it would be negative 2 plus 2 square root of 3 and negative 2 minus 2 square root of 3.